In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge tickets in Zendesk, a feature that's particularly useful when you have multiple tickets pertaining to the same issue, allowing you to streamline your customer support system. Now let's dive right in and make your workflow more effective. First, you'll need to head over to the Zendesk website, the complete customer service solution. If you haven't bookmarked it yet, simply type zendesk.com into your browser's address bar. Once there, locate the sign in option typically found at the upper right corner of the page. Click on it and you'll be directed to the login area. Once you see the login screen, it's time to enter your credentials. Enter your registered email and password carefully to avoid any login issues. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry. There's usually an option nearby to reset it. Click on sign in once all your information is correctly filled in. After successfully logging in, your next step is to navigate to the ticketing area of your Zendesk dashboard. Look for the view icon, usually represented by a small square or grid design, and click on it. This action will take you to where your tickets are listed. Next, it's time to select the ticket that you want to merge. Be sure to choose the correct ticket, as merging is permanent and cannot be undone. Once you've made your selection, you will see an option to merge the ticket. Click on this option and a prompt will appear. When the prompt appears, you'll need to enter the ticket ID for the ticket you want to merge into. A little tip here, it's helpful to have this ticket ID noted down beforehand to ensure a smooth and error-free process. Carefully enter the ID and confirm it's correct before proceeding. Finally, click on the Merge button. This action will combine the tickets, unifying all relevant information under a single ticket ID. This step cannot be stressed enough. Double check everything before merging to avoid any unintended loss of ticket data. And that's it, you've successfully merged tickets in Zendesk, making your customer service process more efficient. Merging tickets helps prevent information overload and ensures that communication is clear and concise, streamlining your support system. I hope this guide was helpful and that you now feel confident using Zendesk to merge tickets. If you have any further questions or need additional support, feel free to explore Zendesk's Help Center or contact their support team. Thanks for watching and happy ticket managing.